Hi, introducing Legion 5 Pro Gen 6 laptops, the ultimate reviews. Engineered to deliver devastation in and out of the arena, the Legion 5 Pro deploys AMD Ryzen processing and NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics to dish out high-resolution gaming. The world's first 40.6 cms, 16 QHD gaming laptop with up to 165Hz refresh sets up a winning zone that gives you an extra edge and ups your peripheral vision. Combined with Nahimic 3D audio that pinpoints footsteps in space, you'll be able to see and hear any scrub headed your way before they even get within firing range. Processor: up to AMD Ryzen 7 5800H. Operating system: up to Windows 10 Pro. Graphics: up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 laptop GPU 8GB GDDR6, listed boost clock 1560 MHz, achieved boost clock 1620 MHz, maximum graphics power 140W. Display: 40.6 cms, 16 QHD, 2560 by 1600, IPS, 1610, 500 nits, 165Hz/3 milliseconds response time, 100% sRGB, VISA Display HDR, certified, Dolby Vision, enabled, NVIDIA GSWinC, AMD FreeSync. Memory: up to 16 GB. Battery: up to 8 hours *MM18. Rapid Charge Pro. All battery life claims are approximate and based on results using the MobileMark 2018 version 1.0.2.46 battery life benchmark test. Actual battery life will vary and depends on many factors such as product configuration and usage, software use, wireless functionality, power management settings, and screen brightness. The maximum capacity of the battery will decrease with time and use. Storage: up to 2 TB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD. Audio: 2x2W Harman speakers with Nahimic audio. Camera: 720p with eShutter. Weight: starting at 2.54 kg/5.4 pounds. Color: Storm Gray. Connectivity: 2x2 Wi-Fi 802.11ax. Bluetooth 5.1. Slots: left, USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort 1.4. Headphone/mic combo. Right, USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. eShutter button. Rear, 3x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 1 always on. USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort 1.4, power delivery. HDMI 2.1. RJ45. Power in. USB port transfer speeds are approximate and depend on many factors, such as processing capability of host/peripheral devices, file attributes, system configuration and operating environments. Actual speeds will vary and may be less than expected. Keyboard: white backlight, blue backlight, Stingray white model only. For zone RGB backlight, Stingray white model only. Power supply unit, PSU. 235W slim adapter. Preloaded software: Lenovo App Explorer, Lenovo PC Manager, Lenovo Vantage, McAfee Live Safe, trial. Office 365, trial. Power to go. Escalate your game. Speed meets endurance when you play with a gaming laptop powered by AMD Ryzen 6000 series mobile processors. Seize the pure performance you need to win, with longer battery life than ever before. To know more on Lenovo Legion Pro, visit Lenovo laptop websites for more information and updates, and you can also check our other technology reviews here in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.